Hello again, for today's video, we're going to eat the street foods like lechon. Matapos sa mahaba-haba naming biyahe, sana samahan nyo kami sa aming bagong adventure. After we went to Magellan Cross, na-decide na kami maghanap ng masasakyan papunta sa street foods. Pero wala kaming ibang masakyan kundi habal-habal, kumbaga. Napunta kami sa palengke. The good thing is, yung palengke nila is organized at hindi siya mabaho. Pupuntahan pala namin yung IT Park, ito yung supermerkado. We saw on the site na parang ang gandang puntahan doon at saka marami silang street foods, so tatry namin. As you can see, those people na nakaka-encounter namin, they don't bother anyone. Kumbaga, wala silang pakialam kahit na sino pa yung makita nila. People who lives in Cebu City, they are very busy. Wala silang ibang inaatupag kundi trabaho. This place is highly recommended if you're going to find a job. Aside from the fact that they offer you malaki ang income or kita or sahod, may mga opportunity rin silang binibigay sa mga tao. In my opinion, kung yung bansa natin is ganito organized, marunong makisama yung mga tao, siguro uunlad talaga tayo. Yes, we can skip people who loves gossips. Pero yung sa kanila kasi, while they're working, they talk. They gossip, yung mga chika nila, yung usapan nila, yung may patutungan talaga, yung may aral. This is why I'm saying, kapag pumunta kayo ng Cebu, hindi kayo magsisisi. Kasi aside from the fact that the people are nice, marunong sila makisama, at saka yung mga tao dito, they are very busy and they are mind their own business. At higit sa lahat, marunong silang makisama. Marunong silang makipag-cooperate at makipag-socialize sa mga tao. They know when you are professional and when it comes to educate. Kahit yung mga tao mukhang mangmang sa paningin natin, they can also talk. They can communicate well. So this is the place that called IT Park or Songbo Market. Iba't ibang klase ng mga street foods na ino-offer nila. At nakikita nyo naman maraming mga taong napupunta rito. Siguro open sila every afternoon. Mga around 4 nag-start na sila. So let's try this lechon, kaya order na ako. After 35 minutes or a few minutes, ito na yung order ko. Okay naman siya, sulit naman. May lechon at saka may free silang soft drinks at saka kanin. So okay naman. And it's only 105 peso. So let's try the different kind of street food. So nag-decide na lang ako ng seafoods. May nakita akong nasa 200 ata, ito yun. Binalat nila ng foil at tingnan natin kung ano yung nasa loob niya. I saw that they have rice pero mukhang wala namang rice dito. But it's okay, it doesn't matter. Busog naman ako kanina sa lechon. So we are going to try these seafoods. Let's see kung ano yung lasa nito. Kasi yung lechon talaga ay sobrang sarap talaga niya. Masasabi ko talaga 100% na dito talaga sa Cebu yung pinakamalasang lechon. Grabe, amoy pa lang nakakatakam na. Alam niyo yung umuusok-usok pa, kaya mag-feel nyo talagang parang tatakam kayo. Okay, I try it. Tinikman ko siya at hindi siya ganun kaluto. Parang nilagyan lang nila ng sarsa para magmukha siyang luto. Hindi siya ganun 100% na masarap. After a long, exhausting day, bumalik muna kami sa hotel pero nag-decide kaming maglakad-lakad muna since early pa naman eh. Siguro, when you were in Cebu City, marami kang mapupuntahan at makakainan kasi they have different kinds of fast foods that you will see. From the hotel where we're checking in, may nakita kami na hindi kalayuan yung Robinsons, so we're going to Robinsons Mall. Since early pa naman at saka gusto namin ma-enjoy talaga yung moments na magkasama kami. Dalawa pala yung Robinsons nila. Meron sa kabila, which is yung mga appliances. Kaya pupunta kami dito. Unahin namin. Tapos yung sa kabila naman is the other side. You need to cross this. Parang nasa Manila yung C5 ganun. So we need to cross this area para makatawid kami doon sa dulo at makapasok kami sa Robinsons. Well, I'm not going to film every spot here because we are going to enjoy moments. Thank you for watching. Always be nice and kind. Bye!